Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and if you would like to know more about AnimeGenius AI website, you've come to the right video. In this video, I will show you how to use this website, how you can easily create an account here, and so on. So first of all, let's open it up. You can just type in the search box AnimeGenius AI, and here it is. Just click on the first website. Okay, so we already can get started for free, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see examples which were generated by using this AI, and to be honest, I really like it. And firstly, let's talk about pricing. At the very top you can find this tab, and there are three plans: basic for $9 per month, plus for $20 per month, and pro for $59 per month. So the cheapest one is basic. You can get 800 plus AI models and LoRa's for AI images generators, image to animated GIF, it's a very cool feature by the way, image to prompt. So you can just pause the video and read more about it here. Okay, and now let's try to create an account here. To do it, just click on the login button at the top right, and here just below the sign in with Google button you can find the create an account with email button. Click on it, and on this page you can continue with Google or just type your name, email and password and confirm it, of course, and after that click on the submit button. But to be honest, I wanna continue with Google. So it was a really simple process, and by the way, I've just get 50 credits on this website. Click this button to claim your free daily credits. Daily credits can be stacked and updated at this time. So let's click on claim. And finally, to generate images on this website, you need to click on the art generator at the top of the page. And here you can find 6 options: text to image, post to image, comic maker, image to image, AI sticker, and workflows. And for example, let's create an image by using our text. And this is how the generating page looks like. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is just describe the image that you wanna get in this field. For example, best quality, expensive eyes, perfect face, and here is the result, a girl. And on the right side you can find a lot of cool models, for example anime, realistic, real anime, and so on. And also you can select the necessary LoRa's. And by the way, LoRa's are like one-time modifiers for the AI models. Each LoRa is highly specialized in one style or character. Just type here an anime girl, for example, with green eyes. And by the way, just below the prompt field you can find a prompt library, and there are a lot of cool prompts. You can just copy it and use it. And now to generate an image, just click on the generate button, and here is the result. So very cool. And by the way, on the right side you can change aspect ratio, you can select the necessary sampling steps, you can change CFG scale, and change seed. And for premium you also can select the necessary number of image and change high resolution, but only for premium plans. To be honest, the website is pretty cool, and the functionality here is very extensive, and I advise you to try to use it. Just create an account and get 100 free credits. Well, it was a short tutorial, and I hope it was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.